Brand storytelling is the art of using a compelling narrative to connect with consumers and create an emotional bond with the brand. It is a way of communicating the brand's values, mission, and personality through storytelling, rather than just through traditional advertising. Authentic storytelling creates a genuine connection with the audience, fostering trust and loyalty. Emotional storytelling allows creators to connect with the audience on a deeper level by invoking feelings of empathy, compassion, and understanding. Incorporating real-life experiences into brand content can create authentic and emotionally resonant connections with the audience. By leveraging real stories, brands can establish a genuine and relatable identity, fostering trust and loyalty among consumers. One example of a brand effectively incorporating authenticity and emotional appeal in their storytelling is Patagonia, which uses compelling narratives about environmental conservation and outdoor adventures to connect with their audience on a deeper level. Use real-life experiences and emotions to connect with your audience on a deep level. Authenticity in brand storytelling is key to building trust and loyalty. Authenticity and emotional appeal play a pivotal role in shaping brand perception and fostering consumer loyalty. When a brand embodies authenticity, it creates a genuine connection with consumers by staying true to its values and principles. Through emotional appeal, brands can establish a deep, personal connection with their audience, eliciting feelings of trust, empathy, and resonance. This emotional resonance significantly impacts how consumers perceive a brand, influencing their purchasing decisions and engendering long-term loyalty. In conclusion, it is crucial to reiterate the significance of authenticity and emotional appeal in brand storytelling. Authenticity helps in building trust and credibility with the audience, while emotional appeal creates a deeper connection that resonates with the viewers on a personal level.